Shiran and one of the members of Hoopad's R&D department, and I'm more than happy to introduce our products to you. We launched our company in August 2021, and we are a couple of experts in deep learning and image processing, and we provide some solutions for monitoring and surveillance systems. We have a comprehensive application named HBOX, and now I'm going to talk about the services that are inside of our platform HBOX. One of our services that is inside of HBOX platform is HPLATE. We launched HPLATE for detecting and recognizing car plates. Our HPLATE product is sold in two versions. We have HPLATE and mini HPLATE. You can use HPLATE in streets, roads, and some other similar kind of routes, and you can detect car plates. You can see the model of the cars, you can see the color of the cars, you can see multiple car plates being detected from just one source, and we align some of the car plates that are taken from different angles, and even we can detect some of the car plates that are not readable. In mini HPLATE, we suggest some homeowners, some business owners to use mini HPLATEs for their parking lots or for their home garage and something like that. So by that you can control the insurance of your employees or your family members. The other service that we are providing in our HBOX platform is HFACE, which is our face detection and recognition system. Face detection and recognition systems are being used all over the world. We provide some specific features with this service. For example, we can detect faces and we can recognize them even if they are wearing eyeglasses, if they are using some face masks, and we can also detect and recognize the same faces if they have changed some features in their face. For example, if they have changed the model of their hair, or they have grown some beard, or etc. The other important feature that HFACE has is its liveness. And by liveness, I mean you can differentiate between a fake photo and a real person. The other service that we provide in our HBOX platform is HDETECT. In the past, we have used some systems which were based on PIR systems. They were old and they weren't able to act well and inside large companies. You can use our service for open spaces, and by that you can detect and count human beings and all kinds of objects. For example, cars, bicycles, motorcycles, and etc. And our biggest and one of the most important features that HDETECT has is its crowd estimation function, and it can detect the density of population inside of a specific area, and that's that for HDETECT. One of our other services is HFIRE. You can detect fires from far distances and also from near distances when they are in their early stages. So by that you can help the first responders act much more quickly to the incident, and that will help save the environment and it will save a lot of time, and it will also save a lot of people's lives. The other service that we provide in our platform, HPROT. In HPROT, we detect and recognize privacy protection equipment, for example, in building sites or in large companies, that the personnel of that specific area or place should wear helmets and should wear gloves and some similar personal protection equipment. And one of the other services that we provide is HPOSE. In HPOSE, we control the behavior of people. It can be used in many places. For example, there are some jobs that require people to stand in some specific areas, and they cannot sit down. HPOSE detects if some personnel are sitting down in that specific area, and then gives some alerts to the authorities in charge. And at last, I would like to mention our AIoT. You may be familiar with the concept of smart homes. They are a subcategory of Internet of Things, or IoT for short. You see, in IoT, you can control and monitor the data that is coming from the sensors, and you can set some outputs, and you can give commands to do some specific tasks. For example, you can turn on light bulbs, or you can move the curtains, or you can just turn on and off the cooling system. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, has evolved over these recent years, and by combining it with IoT, we can come to a new concept named AIoT. In AIoT, you can use the data that you get from the sensors, and by predicting some incidents by the help of artificial intelligence and some models, the system actually can command one and more outputs. Let me tell you what AIoT is in an example. Suppose that you have a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor just gathers all of your data, all of your temperature data from your home, or for example from your office. By gathering these informations, if we use artificial intelligence and some models and some AI algorithms, the system is now capable to learn how to just control the temperature of your room. So, for example, if it's in the summer, it can turn on the cooling system, and if it's in winter, it can just turn on the heating systems. This is how AIoT works, and we have this capability in our HBOX platform. For example, one of our future products is going to be our voice command system. And in this system, you can give voice commands to set some, for example, alarms, and change some configurations. I can say the most important goal of this firm is to deploy this HBOX platform to cloud. And as you may know, by deploying applications, general applications, to cloud, you can access them from wherever and whenever you are. And one of the benefits of deploying applications to cloud is that they are not dependent on the physical hardware anymore. And that's that. Thank you for listening to our introductory about our products.